Coaching, whether personal or professional, is based on trust and a mutually beneficial relationship between the coach and the coachee. This trust is often built over time through interactions, commitments, and a clear communication. One of the most effective ways to initiate this process is through creating a coaching agreement. And today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of a coaching agreement and should have components. Hi, my name is Anil Jaisingh. I'm a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance, Chief Product Owner for Concepts and Beyond, a training and coaching company, and an adjunct faculty with the NYU's program of project management. I help leaders, teams, and organizations in driving product innovation, leading to a growing and profitable business. At its core, a coaching agreement is a formal document that outlines the expectations, responsibilities, and boundaries of the relationship. It provides clarity into the goals, duration, frequency, timing, and how confidential you want this relationship to be. A clear and comprehensive coaching agreement ensures that both parties are aligned from the start, minimizing any misunderstandings and potential conflicts. So, what are certain benefits of a coaching agreement? First of all, clarity. This ensures that both the coach and the coachee are clear about their roles, responsibilities, and expected outcomes. Second is trust. Trust formalizes expectations, a sense of commitment, and an accountability. The third one is structure. Structure provides a roadmap for the coaching process, making the journey more predictable. Fourth one is boundary. It establishes that the relationship remains professional and goal-oriented. And then finally, the last benefit is to resolve conflicts. Conflict resolution is a reference point that can aid in addressing disagreements or misalignments. I'm going to take you through a real-life story of Emma, who's a mid-level executive aiming for a leadership position, and Coach Jennifer, a seasoned leadership coach. Emma expressed aspirations to climb to a leadership position, felt held back due to her lack of confidence in decision-making and public speaking. Using the insights from their discussion, Jennifer drafted an agreement which had objectives and goals. Objectives are focused on enhancing Emma's decision-making skills and confident public speaking. The second thing was duration. Duration was a 9-month coaching relationship with bi-weekly sessions. A third thing is methods of communication. They decided that they would have in-person meetings, video calls, with emails being the primary mode of communication outside of sessions. A fourth thing that was part of the coaching agreement was the relationship needed to be confidential so that Emma's self-doubt and vulnerabilities would remain strictly confidential. The next thing was the fees. Jennifer ensured that she offered a flexible payment plan. And the last thing was feedback. Feedback mechanism was established with quarterly reviews to track progress towards goals. As the months progressed, Emma started to gain more confidence. However, 4 months in, Emma faced a personal crisis, leading her to 2 sessions without notice. Returning to their coaching agreement, Jennifer referred to the cancellation policy, which should really also be part of the coaching agreement, but also exhibited empathy, allowing Emma to reschedule without penalties. This not only reinforced the importance of the agreement, but also solidified trust between the two. As the 9 months concluded, Emma had grown remarkably in her decision-making abilities and public speaking confidence. She also secured a promotion to a senior leadership position. Together, Jennifer and Emma referred back to the agreement and relived their journey from the beginning to the end. The coaching agreement had then provided a clear roadmap and even during turbulent times acted as a compass, ensuring they remain on track. So what is really key for a good coach? Well, one, it should be based on self-reflection. Before creating an agreement, coaches should be clear about their own strengths, boundaries, and coaching philosophies. The second thing, there should be a pre-coaching discussion. Have an informal conversation with the potential coach to understand their needs, goals, and expectations. Using the should-haves or components, draft a tailored agreement. Then review and feedback. Give the coachee ample time to review the document, encourage them to ask questions or suggest changes. And finally, once both parties are satisfied, finalize the agreement. Emma's journey with Coach Jennifer demonstrates the profound impact a structured coaching agreement can have. It wasn't just adhering to the terms, but was a tool that kept them both aligned, accountable, and focused on the goal. This real-life example underscores the need for a comprehensive agreement, not as a mere formality, but as an anchor for the coaching relationship. In the description below and on this QR code, I've shared an example filled-in template that you can use to create a coaching agreement that comes from ICF Coaching. I like to also highlight that Concepts and Beyond offers product coaching and business agility coaching. Go to our website, again mentioned in the description and this QR code, and apply if you're interested in a meaningful coaching relationship. And if you really enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe so I can continue to share valuable resources and stories with you. Until next time.